Transform 2D sketches and text into stunning 3D models in minutes. Meshy AI is revolutionizing how creators generate 3D assets, and it's easier than you think. Meshy AI is a cutting-edge 3D model generator powered by artificial intelligence. It converts text prompts, images, and sketches into production-ready 3D models. Perfect for game developers, animators, product designers, and digital artists. No expensive software required, just your creativity and a prompt. Sign up at Meshy.an. Explore 3 core features: text to 3D, image to 3D, and sketch to 3D. Image to 3D and sketch to 3D. And in sketch to 3D, write detailed prompts, upload reference images, or sketch quick ideas. Meshy generates multiple variations instantly. You can refine, adjust topology instead of a character. Try a cyberpunk female warrior with neon tattoos and futuristic armor. Add style descriptors, photorealistic, anime, low poly, use comma-separated keywords. Test variations. Higher detail prompts yield better results. Experiment with art styles, materials, and proportions to find your perfect output. Generate your model, preview in real time, then download. Use the built-in editor to adjust details before export. These files work seamlessly in Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, and 3D printing software. Perfect for game assets, Next product visualization, or animation projects. Your AI-generated 3D model is now production ready. Hit subscribe for more AI creative tools and guides. Drop a comment: what 3D model will you create first?